Please kill the donuts and the bagels and the coffee. We're gonna put that away. We're gonna leave in about 20 minutes. The formation is this guy's gonna lead in front. He's with the Porsche. He's gonna lead in front. We're gonna do a slow cruise pace, right? When we leave out of here, I'm gonna be in the back with the red Supra. Which one? This one right here. Yeah. So we're gonna stop traffic. We got a cop here. He's gonna stop traffic. We're all gonna go right. Stop at the red lights. We're gonna probably get broken up into groups. On the Google Maps, point B is where we're meeting. So wherever the Porsche stops, we're gonna stop there. We're gonna meet at point B, and then the next time we're gonna meet is at the lunch place. So if you get broken up, which I'm sure we will, we'll have packs. Just keep it safe. Be careful. You have bikes out here too, so watch out for the bikers as well. But yeah, that's it. So we'll leave in about 20 minutes.
And the food situation.
Oh yeah, for the food situation, I will call beforehand. I don't think they can accommodate these many people. So for the pizza and everything else, call beforehand. So the information's all in the WhatsApp group. If there are any questions, you can talk to him, me, or this midget right here.
It's probably better.
You can't see him because he's, there you go.
It's probably better if you guys order things like groups, because if we have like
We're gonna get the okay.
place orders, it's gonna be pretty chaotic. So
Yeah. So we're gonna leave. We'll probably leave in about half an hour. Give you guys a heads up, but the Porsche is gonna leave. We're gonna line up here before we go, and then we'll stop the traffic. We'll go right. Go from there. All right, guys, keep it safe.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. seem to get you off my mind. And I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you. Yeah, no, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
That's what I'm talking about. Rev him. There you go. Rev him. Rev him.
Something inside.
We'll leave right after this.
There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
Off of that too or no?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, you're making the videos?
Yeah, videos and pictures.
Oh,
yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm doing both. I like keep tossing back and forth. So I'm only recording 60 frames per second so that I can slow down the footage a little bit and make it a little bit more whatever.
Jeez, these brakes.
Yeah, there's no way I'm recording 24 frames with this shakiness going on, dude. It's like you could smooth it out by slowing it down, but